The best Christmas gift you could give your kid and yourself, because it is a kid-safe vacuum that actually suctions. Look at all that it just picked up. It also has different attachments.